Hello there, students. It's me, Teacher Christian, once again. Today is Monday, February 21st, 2022. As of today, we're going to learn a new lesson. So please get your student book. Open it on page 70 to 71. Now, student book page 70, 71. Okay? Alright, so let's start with our lesson today. Guys, ready? Did you open your student book on page 70 to 71? Okay, and if you are ready, let's start right away. So today's lesson, we'll be learning about phonics sound, which are the letter T, U, and V. Okay, so before we will start with our phonics sound, let's sing the alphabet song. Okay, are you guys ready? Let's sing.
The alphabet song, the alphabet song. Let's sing the alphabet song. A, B, C. A, B, C. D, E, F. D, E, F. G, H, I. G, H, I. J, K, L. J, K, L. M, N, O. M, N, O. P, Q, R. P, Q, R. S, T. S, T. U, V. U, V. W. W. X, Y, Z. Yeah, yeah. X, Y, Z. That's fun. Let's sing it again.
One more time.
Ready, set, go. A, B, C. A, B, C. D, E, F. D, E, F. G, H, I. G, H, I. J, K, L. J, K, L. M, N, O. M, N, O. P, Q, R. P, Q, R. S, T. S, T. U, V. U, V. W. W. X, Y, Z. Yeah, yeah. X, Y, Z.
Okay, did you like our song? Did you have fun? Well, that is our alphabet song. But now, let's proceed with our phonics sounds. Now, for today's letter, we'll be learning the phonics sounds of letter T, Q, and V. Okay, let's start. Oh, here, our first letter is letter T. Did you know what is the sound of letter T? Can you sound the letter T? All right, let's listen and practice.
1. Listen and repeat.
Okay, so your mouth should be like this, no? A little, open it a little, and your tongue should be behind your upper teeth, like this. Can you do it? It's your turn. Oh, yes, great. Now, I want you to practice more for you to make it right. Okay? Remember, open your mouth a little and your tongue should be up on your upper teeth, no, behind your upper teeth. Okay, please practice there at home with your mom and dad. Okay? All right. So now, let's proceed on number 2. Here on your student book, I want you to trace the letter, no, which is the letter T. No, write it. Right, no, Kian. Trace the letter T. So here, what is the first picture? We have tiger. We have 10 and tall. Again, we have tiger, 10 and tall. Okay, there we go. We are already done. Let's go sing our letter T song. Let's sing along.
2. Listen and repeat. 3. Listen. Sing along.
I can see a tiger. Tiger. I can see a tiger. I can see a tiger. Tiger. I can see a tiger.
That is our letter T song. Are you having fun learning about the letter T sound? Oh, if it's so, let's proceed into our next letter, which is the letter U. Okay, so now on letter U, do you know what is the sound of letter U? Do you know? Well, let's practice together. Now, let's practice. Fukfon. Okay, here you follow this mouth, no? Okay, and then we'll listen. Let's listen and then practice. Fukfon.
1. Listen and repeat.
Uh. Okay, when you make the U sound, no, the phonic sound of the letter U should be like this. Uh. Okay? Practice there at home with mom and dad, okay? It's your turn. Okay, great job. Well, now let's proceed on number 2. So now I want you to trace all the letters, which is the letter U. No, you're going to trace. Write all of it. After that, let's practice how to say each word. Now, what do you see in the picture? Now, where is the teddy bear? Where is the teddy bear? It's under the bed. So our word is under. Under. Next, umbrella. Umbrella. Now you umbrella. Next, what's this? Going up. 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 Okay, again. Under. Umbrella. Up. Okay, please practice more there at home. Now let's proceed into our letter U song. Okay, let's sing along.
3. Listen. Sing along.
I can jump up. Up. I can jump up. Up. I can jump up. Up. I can jump up. Up, up, up.
It's fun, isn't it? Did you like it, Chokmai? Oh, I hope you like it. Now let's proceed into our next letter, which is the letter V. Okay, what letter is this? That's right, it's letter V. What is the sound of the letter V? Siyang alay. Do you know what is the sound of letter V? Okay, let's practice. No?
1. Listen and repeat.
Okay, to make the letter V sound, your mouth should be like this. Okay, can you make it? Okay, very good. Now let's practice saying these words. Violin. Violin. Okay, practice. Next, we have van. Van. Next, volcano. Volcano. Great job. Okay, now I want you to trace all the letter V. Now, write all these letter V. Okay, great. And now let's proceed to our letter V song. Let's sing along.
3. Listen. Sing along.
I have a violin. Violin. I have a violin. I have a violin. Violin. I have a violin.
Okay, that's great, isn't it? Okay, I think you guys are having fun learning the phonic sounds of the letter T, Q, and V. Okay, are you having fun? Well, I hope you like it. Okay, let's proceed to the next activity. Okay, here, let's have a quick review with all the pictures that we have studied. Okay, here on number 1, what do you see? What picture is this? Violin. Start with the letter V. What picture is this? Tiger. Start with the letter T. What letter is this? What picture? It's a van. Van. Now, I want you to circle the odd. No? Which one is the odd? Not the same. No, michay man kan. Where is the odd? The tiger. No, tiger start with the letter T. So I want you to circle the tiger. No? Because violin start with the letter V. Violin. Van start with the letter V. Van. The same. Tiger. Michay man kan. No? Not the same. Tiger start with the letter T. Circle the tiger. Understand? Okay. The same with number 2. What picture is this? Start with the letter U. Up. Next. Umbrella. Next. 10. What is the answer? The answer is 10. The odd is 10. Okay, understand? Okay, I hope you understand. Let's go to the next one. Okay, on letter B, I want you to write the correct beginning sound or correct first letter. For example, here, number 1. under. Uh, under. What letter? Yeah, it's letter U. Under. Number 2. Volcano. Volcano. What letter is that? Letter V. Very good. It's letter V. Number 3. Tall. Tall. What letter? Letter T. Very good. Okay. Now, there's more. Letter C. Here, I want you to put check or cross inside the box. No? If it's correct, put a check. If it's wrong, put X. Okay? Number 1. What 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 is this in the picture? Umbrella. So what is the answer number 1? It should X, no? It should start with the letter U. Umbrella. No? Wrong. Michai T. No? Should be U. Number 2. Up. Up. It's correct, no? Put a check on it. Next. The letter V. Van. Okay, that is the correct. Number 1, X. 2, check. 3, check. Okay? Great. So that is all for today. I hope you like it. I hope you learned something from our lesson. If you have any question to teacher, just let me know and I will help you with your questions. Okay, that's all for today. I will see you again tomorrow. Goodbye.